Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.
Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. It's a 32-inch HD-ready Samsung LED TV. In this TV the fault is backlight, okay, no picture. While touching on the screen here you can see the backlight. It's a blank display complaint. The reason for this problem is mainly because of internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. If both sides of the Gatesignals are short, then it's not repairable. Here the panel DC to DC IC named as SM4186 IC goes to protection mode. Because of this panel shorting, due to that it doesn't generate any basic panel voltages. However, we can repair this panel using panel short removal method. It's a one-time temporary solution. Permanent solution is panel replacement, and we can't predict how long the TV will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck basis. So let's start the repair. Here you can see this is the motherboard and this is the panel scaler board. See, this is SM4186 DC to DC IC. Also see, these are the CKV Gatesignals tracks from the left side and right side of the TV. Now before start repair, let's check basic panel voltages VGH, panel input VCC, etc. See, only 3.3 volt, 1.2 volt and 12 volt input volts are there, except all other voltages like VGH, VGL, avdd are missing. It's the reason causing no picture issue. So here first going to cut down the right side Gatesignals tracks. After cutting right side Gatesignals tracks, if picture is okay then do nothing. If picture is not okay then we need to rejoin the cutted tracks in right side. Then cut down left side Gatesignal and check picture. If both sides Gatesignals short then no hope. Better to replace the panel. So here we first decided to cut down right side Gatesignals, and see here we already cut down the right side Gatesignals. Now the panel shorting is removed and the SM4186 DC to DC IC started working. While checking picture, here you can see the difference. Now picture comes and the TV is repaired successfully. So that's it. Hope you liked this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.